Run PowerShell script when you open PowerShell. Is it possible to run a PowerShell script when you run PowerShell? As in, double-click the PowerShell icon and open the window. Is there some type of art or unsetting somewhere?
There is a PowerShell script that runs on PS Startup, if it exists. The file spec for this script is in the variable $profile. You can use PowerShell commands to check to see if this script file exists, to create it if it doesn't, and to edit it with Notepad. Here's the how-to guide. Note that in recent, till the 2020 and later, versions, PowerShell will no longer run unsigned scripts, not even $profile, by default. If you just follow the old instructions such as in that how-to guide, when you open a new PowerShell, you'll see an error message like signing your profile once, let alone every time you change it, is probably not realistic, so you must change the execution policy to allow it. To do this, you can either run the following command as administrator. Set execution policy remote assign scope locale machine. Or, use regedit to modify, computer /key _local _machine /software /Microsoft /PowerShell /1 /shellits /Microsoft.PowerShell, adding a new reg _sc with the name execution policy and the value remote assigned. Both have exactly the same effect and will persist across sessions. The remote assigned policy requires that scripts downloaded from elsewhere be signed, but scripts you create locally on your machine, such as $profile, can run without a signature. You could also set the policy to unrestricted to enable unsigned downloaded scripts as well, but this isn't recommended security practice.
Type the following command. A file, Microsoft.PowerShell_profile.ps1, will be created in C:\users\nlt, username and GT:\documents\Windows PowerShell \, for PowerShell 5 and older, or C:\users\nlt, username and GT:\documents PowerShell \, for PowerShell 6 core. This folder will be automatically created. Then edit this file and you can add personalized PowerShell functions or load modules or snap-ins. Now when you run your PowerShell console, Microsoft.PowerShell_profile.ps1 will be triggered.
To run an arbitrary script on PowerShell session startup, use the following command.
There are many ways to do this. A straightforward way is to a profile script in your default PowerShell home path. Navigate to $env: user profile var. Typically, this expands to C: var. Create the folders if they do not exist. Create a file named profile.ps1. You can write your script in this file, and this file will be executed each time you start PowerShell as the user. If you have the script somewhere else, you can have profile.ps1 call those scripts. As a side note, the default profile name should be Microsoft.PowerShell_profile.ps1. But profile.ps1 also works.
If you want to watch the channel, please consider subscribing.